Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about an additional hidden weight shift. Okay, a lot of golf. If you play for golf for a while, you should automatically have it already. But the point here is the purpose of this video is to show a new golfer that they should be focused on their not just the arm swing, but they should be focusing on their at the impact, their back trailing shoulder should be weight shift downward into impact at the moment of impacting the ball. Okay, so instead of just not using the arm, they should also using the shoulder, the trailing back shoulder, shift the downward into the ball at impact. Okay, this is the main purpose of this video is for more like toward the new golfers. Okay, but seasonal golfers should automatically be doing that already. Okay.